Hello everyone and welcome back to my cadon.com. In this session we will discuss how to extrude. Earlier we discussed sheet metal parameters, recognize wall and wall edges. Now extrusion is also one of the most important tool used in sheet metal. Let's see how it works. In extrusion, it's simply like pad. We create a profile and we extrude that or pad that. So for extrusion also we need one sketch. So let's proceed. Select any thickness side face and click on sketch. Now make the profile. Which type of profile you want to create. And let my profile cross section be of this side. Now one thing more, you have to make sure that the sketch endpoint must be in contact with this. So let's make a constraint with this two point and this one face. Now the sketch is fully contacted with this part. Exit workbench. After that, go on extrusion. When you click on extrusion, this extrusion will be open, and similarly one pop-up will come here in which you require the profile, limit 1, limit 2, mirror extend, automatic 1 and exploded mode. See, in profile we select the sketch, and after that what the limit 1 means, what's the end condition length. Whatever you want to keep, you can define it from here also, and you can define it from here also. After that, what the limit to dimension means, this second dimension. You can already see here it's going on opposite direction. Okay, click on preview. You will get one sheet of your desired shape. There is one more option, mirror extend. In this mirror extend, as you already know, mirror extend means the thickness one and the length one and the length two will be same. There is one tool called automatic bend. This we will discuss later. First of all, go to mirror extend and make it okay. Now here you can see extrusion, no union has been done. It means when you unfold it, there is no contact between these two parts. For this what we need is, first delete this and don't sketch, delete the sketch. This pop-up is come when your sketch is not defined with this part. Okay, let's see what the problem is with this process. Yeah, now we can see the thickness is on this side, means opposite side of that. For that, in that case you have to invert the material side, means the thickness should be on the same side where these sheet metals collide. If you provide okay, now it is perfectly matched with this cross section and the union has been done. Earlier case this problem was that as the inverted side is side and we click on ok. In this case we get no union has been done because our sheet is on the opposite side. So make sure this thing, these small points. And another one is invert position, invert direction. Invert direction will not work in this case. Yeah, invert direction is when you, if you want to change the limit, like see earlier, right now we have limit 1, limit 2 this side. When we change it, limit will come on this side. Just simplest step. Now only the one thing left is automatic bend. Let's see how automatic bend works. The automatic bend is also the simplest thing. Like in this case we can see the sketch is fully tangential to all the sketch, plane or circle. Now if we create a line which is not tangent, then in this case what will happen? The sketch goes automatic. One second, let it delete. The sketch will automatically define the sheet metal parameter bend radius, that is 1 mm. Means when we extrude it, it will go 1 mm thickness of radius here. But if you don't want the radius, then in that case just click on that and untick the automatic bend. Now you can see no union has been done. Mean, oh, one second, again here it's the same problem in input side. Okay, now you can see all the phases its bend radius is counting, but in this edge the bend radius is not counted, means it is not smooth. In this case make sure to tick your bend, automatic bend, so that here this smooth curve will form. In some cases this will not show, like if we have very sharp edges and it's not showing that it's when radius has taken or not, you can directly check it from here also. When you flatten it or expand it, like unfold it, it will not show here, it will not count on that part matter. It's another feature, it's another feature. So that in the, if you want to make this part to be counted on this surface, to be linked with this surface, you have to make one linkage like automatic bend, so that it connect with them, and when you unfold it, it will included in that features. Okay. In the next session we will discuss how to use flange and some other tools which comes under swept toolbars.